On this episode, I share with you the top 3 down payment myths. Welcome everyone to episode 037 of the AskJasonGelios show. I'm your host, Jason Gelios, Michigan Realtor. I want to thank you guys for jumping in on this episode. For those of you watching this for the very first time, this is a weekly show that I do. I upload this mostly to my website. It's allabouttherealestate.com, but you can follow it on Facebook, and you can subscribe to YouTube so that you don't miss out on this show, this weekly show, and my other videos that I share with you. So, in this episode, I'm going to dispel the top 3 myths about down payments and purchasing a home. So we're going to go ahead and dive right into it. So we have myth number 1, and that is that you have to have 20% down to purchase a home. That is not true. It hasn't been true for a while, actually. There are various options. You typically want to speak with a professional lender, somebody who knows what they're doing, and if you need a referral, I'd be happy to refer you to that professional. But you do not have to have 20% down to purchase a home. You can go FHA. You can go conventional these days for less money down, as long as you're willing to pay PMI or private mortgage insurance. And you can go with VA if you served in the military. So there are other options. There's also down payment assistance programs, which we'll get into that, myth number 3. But ultimately, you do not need to have 20% down to purchase a home. Myth number 2 is that cash is king. Cash is not always king when it comes to purchasing a home. Anybody who has received a cash offer on their home will attest to this, because usually a cash buyer comes in dramatically less to try to use their cash buying as a way to leverage the asking price lower. So cash buyers don't always present a strong offer, and so I've seen this often where investors will offer a lot less on a home just because they think that cash is king, and cash is not always king. If you have somebody that comes in with financing, and let's say it's a conventional loan and it's a stronger offer, a lot of times a home seller will consider that offer. So cash is not always king when it comes to real estate. And myth number three is down payment assistance is easy. Now, getting down payment assistance is an option for most home buyers, but it does take work. It takes work in researching which way you should go. It takes effort in terms of researching that and then figuring out what you have to do, what paperwork you need to file for that, and then you have to locate a buyer that is okay with that. So down payment assistance is not always easy, but do I think that you should avoid it? No. Look at all your options and see. So those are the top 3 myths of down payments that we basically dispelled. So that concludes episode 037 of the Ask Jason Gelios show. I really appreciate you guys tuning in, and I hope you found value in this. If you did, please comment, please like, please share, please subscribe so that you don't miss out on other videos that I post. And be sure to definitely comment and share your question. If you have a question or a valuable experience or tip, whatever, comment below, okay? If you'd like to subscribe to my monthly e-newsletter and receive updates weekly as to when I upload this, which is usually on Thursday afternoon, click the description below to subscribe. So once again, thank you for watching. I'm Jason Gelios, Michigan Realtor, and make it a great week.